Good morning. So hi guys, it's early in the morning. It's about 9:40. Today's date is Tuesday, the 22nd of June. We're pretty excited. You can tell by just how I'm smiling. Even my cheeks are in pain because your girl is going to buy a camera. Finally, we are going to buy ourselves a camera. Yes, so let's go buy this camera once and for all. Okay, so our camera is here, Canon M50. So it comes in a box. That is how it looks like. So let's unbox. So it comes pretty packaged nicely. So it comes with a manual. It comes with straps. It comes with a battery. So this is the battery. It comes with a cable cord for power. It also has the adapter part of the power. So there are compartments, so it comes nicely arranged for even transporting. So this is the camera itself. So that is how it looks like. It's very light. It's a very light camera. So it also comes with a lens. So that is the lens. It's a 15-45mm lens. That is how it looks like. The beauty about buying a camera that the lenses come off, I don't know what the name they call it, is you can always change the lens to something bigger with time. So this was very thoughtful for me to purchase a camera that the lens comes off. So with time I can change the lens to a bigger lens. So that is the camera. So that is how it looks like. So it comes with a screen in which you can flip the other side if you want it to face you. You can return it on the other side. That is how it looks like. So let's put the battery. So that is our camera. So I bought this camera at Canon's Africa in Nairobi. It's located along Kenyatta Avenue, and they gave me quite a good price for the camera. So you can actually visit them if you want good camera. They can also advise you, but first you need to find you need to research the market very well to know what kind of a camera you're looking for. So this is our camera, and we are very happy we have one. So all along we've been shooting with our phone, and right now we have advanced because I want to give you guys a better quality video, nice shots, nice photos. So this is very light. You can actually put this in your handbag, and it's very light. It's very light. I love that thing about me, about the camera, that is. Another thing that I bought from them was, so I bought this tripod from them. It's a small mini tripod, because I have a larger tripod, and sometimes shooting with the larger tripod, it's a bit hectic. So that is how the description is. So it's a nice small tripod. So if you want it to face you, you just do like that, and it's facing you. But again, you have to tighten the screw at the back. Yeah, if you want it to be in a standing position like that, then like that. For the camera, you just screw it. So that is our camera. Pretty nice stuff. So it doesn't come with a memory card, but since I already have a memory card, then you're still going to use the same memory card. It doesn't come with a spare battery, but with time you can always advance to buying a spare battery for that, which costs about 5,000 shillings. So yeah, that's pretty much on the unboxing part of our new equipment. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until the next video, bye.